Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So today guys, I'll be checking out Kläfford and he'll be singing Forget Me, and this is from the kitchen session. You guys, I'm excited for this, and without much ado, let's see what this is all about.
Days ache and nights so long, 2 years and still you're not gone. Guess I'm still holding on. Drag my name through the dirt, somehow it doesn't hurt though. Guess you're still holding on. You told your friends you want me dead and said that I did everything wrong. Well, you're not wrong. Well, I'll take all the vitriol, but not the thought of you moving on. 'Cause I'm not ready to find out you know how to forget me.
Wow.
I'd rather hear how much you regret me than pray to God that you'll never make me, than forget me. Oh, I hate to know I made you cry, but love to know I crossed your mind, babe. Ooh,
wow.
To find out you know how to forget me, even after all this time. Days ache and nights are gray, my heart is still your place, babe. Guess I still feel the same. No, you can stand my face, some scars you can erase, babe. Guess you still feel the same. Well, I'll take all the vitriol, but not the thought of you moving on.
Wow.
'Cause I'm not ready to find out you know how to forget me. I'd rather hear how much you regret me than pray to God that you'll never make me, than forget me. Oh, I hate to know I made you cry, but love to know I crossed your mind, babe. Ooh, even after all it still wrecked me. To find out you know how to forget me, even after all this time. Oh, even after all this time. Oh, 'cause I'm not ready to find out you know how to forget me. I'd rather hear how much you regret me than pray to God that you'll never make me, than forget me. Oh, I hate to know I made you cry, but love to know I crossed your mind, babe. Ooh, even after all it still wrecked me. To find out you know how to forget me, even after all this time. Oh, even after all this time.
Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Woo! I don't know how much I miss Chris Kläfford voice until this very moment, because back in the days I used to react to him a whole lot and I miss him so much. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was such a beautiful song. I love the lyrics. I love his voice. Chris Kläfford is truly underrated, and oh my goodness, he has such a beautiful voice. His run was so smooth. Everything about the song was insanely beautiful, and I love how cozy, how beautiful this was. And wow, let me know what you feel about this song. And if you have any video from Chris Kläfford that you want me to check out, drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.